Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today, 2nd of December 2018, I got an elf on the shelf. But that's not important for this video. We are making slime! So in the last video, we made slime and it didn't work because we had the wrong contact solution. And I blame the contact solution and the shaving foam because I ate too much. So, let's get started. I just got it. Put all the glue in! Incoming glue situation. Yeah, I nearly got that on my face. Satisfying. Come on. Okay. This is good. Let me just... Where did I pick up the spider? I just guess I put it over here. So, I thought that was really heavy. And just go. Are you serious? Come on! I guess I just have to do it this way. Thank you. I just got my fingers. Yes. It is bashed the cup. Great. Come on. Come on. Get in the tub. Thank you. Get in the tub. Get in the tub. Get in the tub. Ow. I'll just do it this way. Wait. Thank you. And blood. Yeah. Just scrape this bit and guys, while I am putting the shaving cream in, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Okay, I think this is the last bit that I can get in. And it just flies in the air. I should put it there. I just went. Are you serious? It just fell over. Fell over in Barcelona. Yeah, it fell over in Barcelona. Even though we're not in Barcelona. We're in England.
Why don't you take the cups off of your papers and then you can use them? It's easier.
I'm not that smart. I'm not that smart. I'm very not that smart.
Right, what are you going to do next? Are you serving or are you colouring?
You need to stir it first before you do anything.
Okay.
Yay! Thank you. Fluffy! Fluffy, fluffy, fluffy. There.
I believe you had a request for a shout out as well.
Yeah. My cousin texted me, Lily. She texted me and she said she wanted a shout out. So, in this video, the first shout out of YouTube is here. So, shout out to my cousin Lily and my cousin Evie too. So yeah. So, this. Food colouring time. If it turns out like we can always add some more and got the new one. Okay.
Why have we picked this colour?
This is my favourite colour.
That might be enough.
I put a lot in. Oh no, it was gonna be enough though. Are you serious? You don't have to do that, okay? Thank you. Yes. Take a bit. It's snowing. It's snowing baking soda. Seriously, Cup, if you do that one more time, you do not know what's going to happen to you. Because neither do I. I have not decided yet. But I eventually will. Because it is annoying, Cup. Yeah, it's a good enough mix. So, time for this Up Free Express line card. I don't know what it is. It's just contact solution, that's all I know. There. That's enough for now. But we'll need some more. Yay! You see that, guys? It's Gooby, like slam. Look, yay! I think we need some more. Just a tiny bit more. Yeah, that's enough. So, mix. It's coming off the end of the box onto the spoon. That's good. Obviously. Yeah, buddy. And a little bit. Yes, it's only a little bit. I'm going in with my hands in a second. I actually need to get this all in the pile. Because it's nice and cold, I nearly said cottage cheese for a second. I don't know why the cottage cheese came from. Even though it's super sticky, I don't care. I really don't care. Yeah. Ah, it's still super sticky. I don't care.
Got some more fluid in it.
Yes, please, can you come squirt it in? I have super sticky hands, as you can see. Ah, it's going everywhere. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I think you've got Smurf hands.
I'm making Smurf claws now. I'm totally making.
See if you can scoop it all out of the box.
Yeah. I can't even get it in one hand. Because I've got tiny hands. I'm only a little tail. Yeah.
That gives a big stretch.
Okay, let me just get it in my hands and stretch. That's as far as my arms will go. You guys don't know how amazing this feels.
What does it feel like?
It feels like a cloud, a little sticky cloud, a tiny bit sticky cloud. Like a cloud that, not a cloud, a cloud that it has just rained and it has got some raindrops in it still.
How do you know what that feels like?
I don't know, I just assume it feels like this slime. It's not crazy. But it hardly sticks to me anymore. So yeah.
big stretch.
Okay, that was a rubber sweet stretch. Super stretch! Get off the table.
Can you do a vertical stretch like that?
Probably. So, satisfying. So satisfying. Oh yeah. So, this is our slime success. As you can see, right in front of you. You cannot see me. As you can see, this slime actually worked out. So, thank you guys for watching. Remember, as I said earlier in the video, like, subscribe and comment what colour slime do you want us to do next time. Because there might be a next time. And hopefully there is a next time. Because I've decided. So, that will end this video with a huge slime stretch. So,